So me and the guys are at the shop. Toolbox is wrecked like a motherfucker. Look at that kitty! Alright, anyways. We're back to this thing. I don't have the radiator in it or anything. Bottom end is put together. Seems alright. I got oil pressure again, and we're going to go ahead and see what happens when I turn this key. Seems like one hell of a turnaround for me, because just yesterday this block was full of shit. Seems legit, I guess. My AC and power steering delete kit, custom as fuck, yo. And then, yeah, we just be turning shit out. Fuck the YouTube hater, who cares what he says?